So now let's talk about drawing a fox. As I've been working on my education, I've been driving home late at night sometimes from the place where I've been writing my thesis. And so as I was driving home, there was always this fox that ran across the road, and it always amazed me how the personality of that fox, and got a chance to see him sometimes because I could slow down in the car and see him in the ditches or in crossing the road, and you can just see the personality of that animal. So I thought, geez, it'd be really neat to draw that animal using the tablet. And so I went on the World Wide Web, I looked for images of a fox, and settled on the one that you could see that I used, and used that to draw my template, which I could work from. And so I've included a whole section that's called Drawing from a Template, and drawing templates at the end of this book that you can use in order to create your own drawings.
Thank you for watching the Drawing Digitally video. Don't forget to comment, suggest, and subscribe.